Jungle. Audio Jungle.
My people, how na dey now? I go by the name YP Nations. So if today be your first time for being here, I beg, as we normally do before, so subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. So before we start, I beg, whatever you think about this video, I beg, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. So let's go to the main reason why we are here today. Let us start now. So my people, welcome to today's episode, man. So today we want to talk about the way our pharmacists, our doctors still they treat patients for Nigeria. So we want to talk about them because there's this video that is trending online everywhere. So now video of one man in Biseme, they admit for one hospital like that for Nigeria. So the man, if you see the hospital where they put this man, the hospital not only dirty, but the hospital na erosion. All the rain went for that day. Now inside this hospital, all of them day. But this man, the poor man, due to the condition, the man of it come, he did bed there, the video on bed, rain, they fall, water full everywhere. So I beg, before I talk about him, I beg, for those of you who never see the video, wanna take a look at the video first, then before we talk about him. So my people, welcome back. Una don't see with una eye, una don't see the kind of life where we dey live. The kind of life, sometimes, you know, we always blame government, say government now the problem of Africa, not only Africa, especially Nigeria. We dey talk saying man, government might be our problem, but sometimes the cause of our problem lie for the hand of the citizens. So many citizens, they when be say they even wicked past these so-called politicians. Things when some people, some individuals, some private people they do for that country, they wicked past what the government they do. Just imagine they pay the owner of this hospital, you know, before they feel admit that patient when they lie on that bed. They pay registration fee, they pay everything. They pay for the treatment, they pay for everything. Both that bed where that man lie down put, they pay for it. But after all the money when this private hospital or whatever, government hospital or private hospital, after the money when they discharge their patients, yet they still treat them like say na animal. Person when they treat for outside, as in for roadside, even better part this one where be say make day hospital bed, they rain the bitter and join hospital bed. Just imagine that environment, the kind of smell when go dey that environment. Just imagine the kind of cold, everything, the way that environment go just be like. more they talk true to ourselves. Because this one now not be government, nicely call this one. This one I individual something now. So if individual not fit take, as in, if you not fit manage your company, your private business, tell me how that kind of person go take manage a state or a nation. You say now where the problem for the start? Even all these politicians, all this government, before they be individual, they fair run private businesses and those stuff. Now so they take the start. They say picking when BC may go good, picking when go turn better man. Now when it's small, now they know. Who know if you manage your personal business, now one even care of the public. When I see this video, tears come out from my eye because they carry this man go there, maybe they go treat him, maybe 1 or 2 sickness hold the man, they want like treat the man, make the man quick get away. Now make they carry and go hospital, but they reach hospital now. Hospital point even worse past where they for carry and come out. For their mind now, I wish they know that for you leave the man for us, maybe they all the treat him for us. Even if you not get proper treatment, but at least the environment go dey okay for the man. Imagine person not where they perceive different odors. Person when not where rain they beat on the joint ground. Then how I expect that the condition of that patient go be like? She go dey serious. All these things join the reason why people they always they die for hospital. They'll say they rush and reach hospital, we give up for hospital. They say that before they do this one, give up. Before they do this one, before they start to the treat, you give up. Why? Because the environment is not good for them. It's not good for them. Imagine if you not feel manage your business, if you not feel maintain your hospital, not just set up a business and then start treating people anyhow like an animal. It don't make sense. You say you don't read the stage. That's why you request for the approval. You request the certificate from the government to authorize you to run a private hospital. Now they don't give you the certificate. Now they don't give you the approval. Now then why you not feel manager away? Why you be say? As in, I don't just understand because this one are wickedness. This is what they pay you for. They pay you to take care of this person, not to punish this person. All these things now are punishment. Your patient now, you don't punish and join condition. You know, so the way things they go on for Nigeria, the way things they go on for Africa, like no area even the function. Both the government, the individual life, anywhere, no one where they function. No one. Believe me or not, the individual still corrupt. They still bad past the government. Yes. Because if we love ourselves, if we feel manage ourselves, then how many politicians did the nation? How many? Because Nigeria now over 200 million populations. Now we get. So inside that 200 million, maybe let's say all over the states, maybe politicians when they all over the state go be 2 million or 3, let's just say 5 million maximum. 5 million. So 5 million people now go command to 195 million people. How you want this up? Because we not love ourselves. We not even care for ourselves. If individual go fit put people for this kind of condition after payment, after they don't pay them, then he leave people for this kind of condition. Then just imagine if that kind of person dey power, if he owe any government office, whether he not go still, he go do the worst. He go even keep people. I beg. If you know anybody, if you know any hospital, when be say me this kind of things they go on, I beg. Mona tell them, may they retreat from their evil way. May they stop all this. They pay you for this. They pay you to take care of the patient, not to punish the patient. Mona just stop. Anyone wanna know. Mona they expose them. Anybody, any hospital when be say una rush person go or una they pass, una see say me the environment no even good because if anywhere go even dey clean for country, hospital supposed to be one of the most cleanest places for the country. If hospital not dey clean, that means the country e not even good at all. No matter the beauty for outside, no matter every other thing, e not good, because now they're there for the take care of people. When they say, oh, this person hope not dey again, they don't try all their power, they don't try for everything. So the next place, the only one option when they can't get now to carry and go hospital, you can't reach hospital. Now hospital now you can't dirty pass the environment when they carry and they come. So how you now want make the situation be like? So the person self when even sick self, he go even open one eye, take look the environment. If the environment not your good for you, you give up. May your kukuma your go. Yes. So if you know any doctor or anybody when get hospital, when be say me your hospital not good, or when be say me that they treat people bad, I beg, feel free to expose them. They just got to stop. Yes, it not concern you, it not concern me. Now make us, now make Africa or now make Nigeria still day where it day today. So time don't reach when be say me and you go join hand together, begin to tackle all this thing with small. Small, we will begin to change from square 1 to square 2, square 3. And the more we do, the more our voice, they hear our voice. So we not feel keep quiet. So my people, we don't come to the end of today's episode. Please, as we normally do before, I beg, if you like what we're doing here, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave us a comment. And please, I beg every one of you, don't forget to check us out on our Instagram page, YP Nations, and of course our Facebook page, YP Nations. So till we come your way again, you know what the time is, YP Nations. Peace.